Hi, this is Karen. I'm with inspiredbygraham.com. Welcome to my channel. So today I want to let you know that my June card club will be expiring to sign up pretty soon. It expires at 8 p.m. Eastern Time on June 20th, 2020. And what my card club is, it's a monthly recurring subscription that gives you a package sent right to your door. The package is just bursting with 8 cards, 4 designs, and I'll show you the designs in just a minute. It will give you lots of bonuses inside. You'll get at least $20 worth of Stampin' Up! Product that will keep you busy because you'll have lots of extra supplies to use on future products. The stamp set, dies, adhesive, and inks are not included, but they can be added on by emailing me at inspiredbygraham.com. The monthly cost is $35, which includes USPS priority shipping. So for June Card Club, I used Forever Fern and the Flourishing die set. This die set is 14 different dies. I mainly used all of these on here. The other side here are for stamped images, which I cannot send to you based on Stampin' Up's policy. But I would suggest joining Stampin' Up! If you are not a demonstrator, because you can receive this bundle for free, and we'll talk about that in just a second. All right, so I want to just show you the cards that we'll be creating for June. And again, we're going to be designing 2 different ones. This is one, hello, with a Whisper White envelope with an inside panel as well. And you can see how nice the Forever Fern stamp set stamps. And now this one I did a little bit differently here and just changed it out, but you will be getting this one with a pear pizzazz and the little fern here, greenery. All right, so that's that one. And this one here is beautiful. I love this, how this spray turned out. You can do this with the inside. That's how I stamped it, with a matching envelope. And of course on the back side, I stamped my information as well. So here's another one. Same design and my stamped information on the back side. I used the Forever Fern foliage and then I stamped my website and information as well. This one is really nice. It's a nice wedding card or anniversary. Love and laughter forever and after. Simple, using the soft sea foam. And I like the spray with Whisper White. Again, all these die cuts are already cut out for you. This one's really cute too, to a friend that makes me smile. You'll receive the embossing folders, and I'll show you those in just a second. And you're going to receive the spool of linen thread too. But I like the texture on that embossing folder. You will need to have a paper trimmer, and you will need to have a die cutting machine. All right. And here's the other one too. So what else is included in June Card Club? All right, like I said, there's going to be at least $20 of product that you'll be able to use on your card projects plus future projects. You will receive a 5-page, which includes the cover, instructions step by step. It's going to give you supplies, directions, and a close-up of the focal point. I do not show the inside of the card just because you can stamp it however you want. Again, you don't need to have the dies here and the stamp set to work with the June Card Club. Okay, so what is also included other than this is what it looks like. So when it comes to you, it comes shipped priority mail, and I haven't sealed these yet, but I will seal them, okay? All the products here, you've got 2 packets here of card number 1, which is the Love and Laughter. And then there's 2, let's see, let me find the next one. You can do that. You can do this. That's card number 2. And then Hello is card number 3. And number 4 is To a Friend. All right, so that's how they come all packaged up nicely. What you will also get will be a 6x12 pack of the Forever Greenery 12 by 12 Designer Series paper. This is just a sample here. And then also you're going to receive the greenery embossing folders so you can emboss those panels. And guess what? You get to keep these too because that's part of June Card Club. And then the last thing, actually not the last thing, the two last things you will receive is a complete spool of linen thread. Love linen thread. And you'll receive one sheet of dimensionals that there's more than enough here, so you can actually have plenty to use on future products as well. So I also mentioned that you can purchase the bundle, or if you join Stampin' Up, join my team, you can pick a free bundle as part of your starter kit. Okay, so any bundle in the Stampin' Up annual catalog, and that is towards the back of the catalog. Let me just bring that in to you here. Find it real quick. It's actually in the back. There's a section in the back of, here it is. So all the things under the die bundles, 173, 174, and here's the one I'm using here. It retails for $54. So if you join Stampin' Up, you pick this one, that's $54 worth of product that you can have and use. And this is beautiful. The stamping on this is so nice. And then you've got two more on page 176 and 177, 178, 179. So many different bundles. I love the Tasteful Touches one too, because this one I'm going to be using for lots of craft fair projects as well, because it's got a nice little, all these little die cuts make great labels and imagery for your projects. So let me just show you, I put together a starter kit for you. So if you're new to stamping, this is what I would suggest for you. So there in the front of the catalog on page 8, and if you don't have a Stampin' Up catalog, I'd love to be your demonstrator, and also your upline. On page 8, there is a Gorgeous Posies project kit. It includes 16 cards. This is what I would put on your starter kit. It's $32. It makes 16 cards, 4 of each designs, and it's a standard A2 card, and it's complete with, it includes one of this really, really nice, you can't really tell, but it's a really nice box. I don't have this yet, but this is going to be on my next order. This will be part of a class I'm going to be teaching. So it's just beautiful. And you can see here, I mean, I don't know if I can bring it any closer so you can see, you get envelopes, die cuts, paper, you get ribbon, and you get some thread here too. So lots of good things. Now you could add this Gorgeous Posies stamp set if you wanted to as part of your starter kit. However, I've completed a starter kit for you that comes to $99. So that would include the Gorgeous Posies kit on page 8. So I would also recommend Here's a Card Cling Stamp Set. That's $32. I would recommend a D block, because this is a really nice size for lots of stamps. And I haven't mounted these yet, but all of these stamps here will fit on a D size block, and that's $8.50 retail. Stamp set is $22. I would recommend the Stampin' Seal. This is new Stampin' adhesive for $8. It's something new from our annual catalog. Any stamper needs to have Stampin' Dimensionals. It just gives you so much dimension on your card. I'd recommend those. That's $6. These elegant faceted gems are different colors here, but they would work with masculine cards as well, so you won't be using all of these on your Gorgeous Posies kit, so you'll have extras left over. Also, I would recommend the, what is this, the polka dot tulle ribbon. And I've got a little bit left here. This is $7.50. And then Shaded Spruce is one of the colors in the Gorgeous Posies project kit. So I like a deep color. Normally I would suggest black, but Memento Black is still on back order. So I would suggest Shaded Spruce, $7.50. So all of these products here come up to $99. And that's your starter kit. It ships for free. If your state charges sales tax, well, that would be added on as well. And don't forget the bundle. So you can get all the information over at inspiredbygraham.com, and you can click the join now or join my team to sign up for Stampin' Up. Also, I will leave on my blog as the first entry the information on my card club here, which expires at 8 p.m. Eastern Time on June 20th, 2020. So all your information is at inspiredbygraham.com. Thanks for watching.